Formax presents the Greenwave 410 and 430 cardboard perforators. Greenwave cardboard perforators create economical and environmentally friendly packing material from discarded cardboard boxes. They reduce the cost of shipping materials and waste hauling, while upgrading packing material to a high-quality, sustainable alternative to foam peanuts, styrofoam blocks, and bubble wrap. The process is simple. Break down the cardboard boxes, press start, feed them into a Greenwave cardboard perforator, and instantly turn them into perforated packaging. Two models are available, the Greenwave 410 and the Greenwave 430. Each features a rugged all-metal housing, heavy-duty metal gears and perforating blades, and a user-friendly 3-position operating switch. The Greenwave 410 is a space-saving tabletop unit that can fit easily on a shipping counter. The 410 perforates and trims pieces up to 16 inches wide and can handle cardboard up to 0.4 inches thick. The 430 handles pieces up to 16.9 inches wide and up to 0.79 inches thick. The Greenwave 430 is a freestanding unit with a waste bin and heavy-duty casters for mobility. Each unit perforates and trims the excess cardboard in a single pass. Using an adjustable cutting guide, cardboard is easily trimmed to fit a variety of shipping boxes and provide the correct fit for the object being shipped. The trimmed edge can then be fed into the Greenwave perforator, producing zero waste. The result is flexible, shock-absorbing cardboard netting that can easily be wrapped around products or provide additional packing layers for protection during shipment. To operate, press the control switch to start. Adjust the cutting guide to the correct width needed, and feed the cardboard into the perforating blades. If necessary, the Greenwave can be run in reverse to clear cardboard from the infeed. Simply press and hold the control switch in the reverse position. Greenwave cardboard perforators can help reduce the need for costly foam packing materials and waste removal expense. Reuse your cardboard boxes and recycle existing cardboard instead of buying new packing materials.